Hello students, welcome to News Inshort of Shield IAS. In this session, our discussion is about World Happiness Report. World Happiness Report, it was published ever since 2012 by United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. The World Happiness Report is based on two key ideas. First, happiness or life evaluation measured through opinion surveys, and second, identify key elements that determine well-being, including levels of GDP, life expectancy, freedom to make life choice across countries. India ranks 136th in the World Happiness Report 2022, while Finland has again topped the list as the happiest country in the world for the fifth time in a row. It was followed by Denmark, Iceland, Switzerland, and Netherlands. Also in the World Happiness Report 2022, special attention was given to specific daily emotion to better track how COVID-19 has altered different aspects of life. After discussion, do attempt this question and write the answer in below comment box. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the latest video.